Hi everyone, Manga here, and welcome back to another week of Making Manga Update. In the previous video, we had a brief walkthrough of the three main races in my fantasy manga Diadem Chronicles, namely the Manavs, Nifo, and the Balnyanya, and some of the main characters that I finished designing. And so that was the gist of what we discussed in the previous video. And while we did dive a lot deeper into the main races and the character designs and their personalities and just the skills of each of the characters that I finished designing, I figured that going forward, I will try and make the videos a little bit shorter and then maybe make additional videos where I discuss and go deeper into the lore and the characters, their backstory and the designs in as a separate video instead of this. So that this would be just a weekly quick update to tell you where I am in my progress as I continue to make this manga, this passion project of mine, and then just give you guys a quick update on where I am, what I've finished in the following week, and then give you just a quick update on what is happening and what I couldn't finish and what I have been able to accomplish. Alrighty, let's get into today's video. So I finished designing Gideon's mom along with her expression sheet, and I'm fairly happy with how it turned out. Now, I don't have a name for her yet finalized or the rest of her details. So I'll get into this today itself, hopefully, if I get the time, or maybe on even on a Sunday. This can be done within, say, in 15 minutes or so. So I'll work on that uh, after this video. So the character design itself, I'm fairly happy with how it turned out. She, as you can see, has a really huge scroll on her left arm, which has spread quite a lot. So it's come out from her body, upper body, and it's going through her left arm. So this is going to play a significant role in her story. And yeah, that's basically it. I don't have much written, or at least, or not even much, just nothing at all, except for the fact that she is Gideon's mom and she's female. And so, right, I'll get into details later on. And I couldn't record the character design process as well because I am not sure if you saw my community posts in the previous week where I said that I was taking a week off from uploading because of two reasons actually. One being that it was my mom's birthday, so I just wanted to take the time to spend time with her and prepare for her birthday. And then the second being that we decided to spend more time with family during that whole week. So I was staying at my relative's place and all like that. And so I couldn't really sit down and record the process, which, as a YouTube content creator would have been good. But ultimately, my ultimate goal is to finish making Diadem Chronicles. And so as long as I'm making progress in that front, I don't really mind being able to capture every little progress, every step that I've taken into making this manga. So, right, um, it's better that I was able to finish designing her and to show you the result and to tell you how I feel about her design rather than being able to, capture her process, the how I recorded or how I designed her. So that's basically it. And in next week, hopefully I'll be able to get more time. I want to focus more on the environment design and the overall aesthetics of the three main races. Sorry. And so we'll just go to my business plan over here, a roadmap. And so this is the phase 2 of my roadmap for this from June to August. And as you can see, Gideon's mom character design has been already ticked. So I'm done with this. And the next that I need to focus on is the adult version of Gideon, which I'm going to hold off for now because I'm getting a little fed up of designing characters. Is getting a bit repetitive. So I'm going to step back on this, put a pause on this, and work on either environment designs or the overall culture and aesthetic look of the three main races. So that would be just their overall clothing and their traditions and their customs of the main races. And then the next would be to start inking chapter 1. I've already done the thumbnails, or the Japanese term that you call name, which is the thumbnails, which I've already finished for chapter 1, and I've already started inking some of the pages as well. I believe I'm done till page 9 of chapter 1, but there are a few chapters that I need to redo because of the changes with young Gideon's character design and also his mom's. And so I will be redoing some of those, tweaking some of those pages, at least where the ones where him and his mom appear. And so I'll do that. I'll work on these two hopefully in the coming week. And then after I'm done with these redoing the finished pages, I'll continue to ink the rest of chapter 1. And yeah, that's my target for next week. And that's basically it for this video. Like I said, I want to make this as short as possible, just to give you guys like a heads up of where I am and what I'll be doing next week, and then to dive deeper on the topics, on certain topics in a separate video. So right, it's going to be a short update, and hopefully I can put in more time next week. I've also been wondering if I should start live streaming when I start inking the pages for chapter 1. Would that be something that you guys are interested in? It could be a good background noise as you get to work on your own projects. So I'll be live streaming with my mic occasionally being on, and then just a copyright free music playing in the background. So do let me know in the comments if that's what you're interested in. Subscribe to my channel to get updates on where I am with this fantasy manga that I'm working on. And I will see you next week. Cheers. Thank you so much for watching. There's a playlist here to watch more videos of my journey working on my manga Diadem Chronicles, and a video of how I plan to become an independent self-employed artist.